Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today I'm back with this deliciously baked lobster recipe that melts in the mouth. This is a dish to try as it is very easy to make and it doesn't take long to cook at all. So give it a try and you will not regret it. Before we waste any more time, let's get into it. So, okay, now we have our lobsters all cleaned. Okay, so all I did was just take a whole lobster and cut it like so. Put in the scissor and cut it through to the end. Okay, open it up and then take the meat out of it. Okay, the meat comes already like so. So when I pull it out of the shell carefully, I just lay it on top of it like that. Okay, so that's just how simple it is to open it up and lay it up like that. So when you're doing that, you have to be a little careful though, not to scratch your hands with the shell, okay, because that can be tricky. All right, so we have that, and we're only using these seasonings for now to season our lobsters. So I'm using Obe seasoning, garlic powder, and also paprika powder. Okay, just sprinkle it on it like that. Okay, so now that our lobster is marinated with Obe seasoning, garlic powder, and paprika powder, like so, both front and back, in here I have the same seasoning: black pepper, garlic powder, Obe seasoning, and Maggi seasoning, or a little bit of salt. Okay, and in here I have some melted butter that I'm going to add to that. Mix it all up. So I'm gonna mix all of these up and then apply it all over the lobster. Okay, you can add in any herbs of choice. So in here, add in any seafood seasonings that you like. Okay, so I just take it and put it all over the lobster, back and front. Okay, do not forget to season the back as well. Our lobster is all set, marinated front and back. Okay, now into the oven it goes at 400 degrees for 15 minutes or until cooked through and golden brown. So you don't want to overcook this. So any seafood you don't want to overcook, because then it becomes too dry and not delicious. So you got to watch depending on the settings of your oven. Let it go in for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Okay, just look at that. Today my shout outs go to all my DHL fans that love my channel. I appreciate you all. So there you have it. Bon appetit and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.